The shelf, the tiered shelf that we have in the galley is going to be kept down here on the floor of the galley, just in front of the stove. Hopefully it will all be in one piece for you. If not, contact me and I'll help you figure it out. But you're going to, there's a small piece of felt on the counter right about here. You might not be able to see it in the video, but there's a piece of felt here. So you're gonna put the bottom on that, and it's a spring-loaded pole. So you pull it down, and there is another fitting in the top that's attached with Velcro. So you're just gonna fit it in there, and it should stay. There you go. Now you've got these 3 shelves to use for whatever storage you prefer. To take the shelf down, you're just going to make sure everything's off of it, obviously, and then pull down from the top, and it'll come out of this top foot here. Tilt it down and just lay it on the ground here in the galley for travel.